going to play tic-tac-toe. So please enjoy. Tic-tac-toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay! So I'll be showing you slowly. Tic-tac-toe. Then we'll count numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and minutes 10. Other hand. So if we clap in our hand itself, we'll be out and they'll be the winner. Yay! So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe to our channel.